Think you know penguins? From hidden knees to leaping like rockets, these quirky facts will blow your mind. Don't miss a moment. Like, share, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping wildlife discoveries. Fact 1. Feather density superpower. Penguins wear the ultimate winter coat. Packed with up to 100 feathers per square inch, it's nature's most efficient insulation, keeping them cozy in the Antarctic freeze. Fact 2. Hidden kneecaps mystery. Think penguins waddle because they're legless? Think again. Their knees are tucked under layers of feathers, hiding their full height and adding to their adorable stride. Fact 3. Pebble love stories. Male Adélie penguins don't just mate, they court with style. They woo females by gifting them the perfect pebble, which becomes the foundation of their family nest. Fact 4. Jetpack penguins. Penguins turn into underwater rockets, blasting out of the water onto ice using air bubbles trapped in their feathers. Talk about the coolest exit ever. Fact 5. Flavor blind but fine. Forget sweet or savory. Penguins only taste salty and sour. Evolution stripped away other flavors, proving they're perfectly tuned to survive icy waters. Fact 6. Ocean visionaries. Penguins are underwater marvels with eyes that pierce the dim depths of the ocean, spotting prey like nature's most skilled scuba divers. Fact 7. Tropical penguins? Yes, not all penguins shiver in the cold. The Galápagos penguin chills in tropical climates, soaking up the sun while still rocking its tuxedo look. Fact 8. Speed demons of the sea. Emperor penguins are underwater sprinters, hitting speeds of 6 miles per hour. Their flipper-like wings slicing through water like torpedoes. Fact 9. Love on an empty stomach. Male emperor penguins endure the ultimate test of devotion, fasting for 4 months in brutal Antarctic winters while protecting their egg, shedding nearly half their weight. Fact 10. Penguins paint from space. Penguin colonies are so prolific that their pink and white guano stains can be seen from space. Scientists use these paintings to track them across the icy wilderness. Penguins are full of surprises, aren't they? If you loved these quirky and fascinating facts, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife discoveries. And tell us in the comments, which penguin fact blew your mind the most?